shoot, wait. Oh, hold on. Hi, kitties. Oh, hi, kitty. How kitties? Oh, I feel like I was in Sierra when this happened. You know, when that one song she said, if I could fly, wish I was like a bird. Sun. I might be messing up about lyrics, but it's okay. Hey kids, it's your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today is your girl. Oh, I already said that. Today's number 13. Oh, wait, put 13 of writer's prompt. And before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, don't forget to comment down below, and don't forget to hit that little bell to know if I post a video, and follow my social media pages, link down in the description box below. Go follow me. I'm literally everywhere. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. So go follow me and let's get into this video.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Back in a better. Baby, it's whatever. Other is gripping your thigh. Gotta be sick on this night. Pull up skirt. Pull up skirt. Setting kids on playing games, and it's love and ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame.
Okay, kitties, today's writer's prompt is outside the window. The window effect. Have the effect. What's the weather right now? If not inspiring, what's the weather like somewhere you could be? Right now outside is hot. It is hot. It's hotter than Florida. Florida. It's hotter than Florida right now. And I'm sweating bullets and I'm wearing a crop top. It's hot. And I look so cute though. Like, I give myself credit, I look cute. But it's hot outside and I don't know, anywhere else is probably gonna be still hot or cold or raining somewhere, but I know one place I for sure would love to be is definitely either the Bahamas, Hawaii, Paris, honestly, because I'm definitely, that's my gun hole. One place I really love to travel is Paris. Like, I'm inspired to one day I will travel to Paris. I don't know. I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna be there sipping or eating some baguettes, drinking some tea or coffee, whatever I prefer at the time. Probably might have both. And just staring at the Eiffel Tower. Oh no, I'm gonna eat my baguettes, my little croissants, drink my coffee and tea on top of the Eiffel Tower. Like, I'm gonna be inside of it, eating. I know that's my one dream, to be there. Like, enjoy the scenery, being away, the fashion. Oh, go to the fashion shows, honey. I'm gonna be there. You're gonna see me. You're gonna see me. Bet you're gonna see me in Paris watching. I'll be in the fashion shows. I'll probably be in the fashion show, like walking down the runway, might be, or probably the one that's like on the sideline looking at the beautiful work art, or not work art, but work of like designs and stuff like that. You only see me there, betting you. I believe it. But I would rather be either Paris, Hawaii, was it Bahamas? Because I won't want me with my coconuts. Oh, I do want to go to Africa, like Egypt. I wanted to go to visit the pyramids and stuff. But I won't there, but it's going to be hotter than here. It's hot here, but it's going to be hot over there in Africa and stuff. But I don't care. I would definitely want to see the pyramids, because I definitely, that was one of my go-tos. Like when I see the pyramids at school, I definitely love to go to like the pyramids. But I definitely want to see Egypt. Definitely. Oh, I definitely want to ride a camel. That would be cool though. Like riding a camel, sick. But yeah. But what one place I told you about Paris. I want to be eating my croissants. I even started some of my French. Like, oh, I can tell you how to go home. Or what else can I tell you? I can say something else, but all I know, I can tell you how to go home. Or I can't say your name, but Bertelemazoo. Oh, there was another word I didn't remember. Oh, that's hard for. Oh, that's like that's nothing. I don't know why when we study certain words or certain language, we understand the bad words first, but not the other words. I guess it's a good thing though. So just in case someone says something and you like, they cursed you out just now. Yeah, they did. How you know that? Because they said this and this and this. How you know that? Because I learned how to speak French, but I learned how to say the bad words and stuff, but I didn't understand the other ones, but luckily I did. But yeah. That had nothing to do with this, I know. But what else? Hawaii. Oh, Bahamas. Oh, sitting on the beach and drinking my coconuts. I don't know what's with me, but coconuts, I just want to sit and drink a coconut. Like, I love coconuts. I like the coconut aloe vera drinks that we usually get. I might give me some more of those, because when my mom hooked, like she got me hooked after like this one time we went but we went to like go to Ross, and we went in shopping, and she's like, I want to try this out, because she had tried it before, but I didn't try it, and it was like the aloe vera in juice with the coconut shavings and the aloe vera like the little thingies of aloe vera in it, and I drank it and ate the little things. I was hooked. I'm like, this is it. That's it. I don't know the name, and that's like frustrating, but I've seen them drinks before, so when I see them, I'm going to definitely get them, because I'm probably not even stock up on those, because those things, like, those are so good. Like, I can't explain how good it is. It's like, if you guys ever drink not Kool-Aid, but Hawaiian punch juice, it's like drinking that, but eating like little okay, I can tell you guys this. You know how you drink those boba drinks? Just like that, but better. It's like having like a party in your mouth. That is like that spot. I'll be sitting back and drinking my feet in the sand, going to the beach. Matter of fact, I'll be on the water drinking my coconut. I don't care. I'll be somewhere drinking my coconut. I'll be even at a massage table drinking my coconut, because that's how much obsessed with coconuts I am with it. I even tried to grow a plant of coconut. Didn't work out, but I'm not a good plant mom. I am a good plant mom. I just, certain ones I still have to keep an eye on. Like, I can grow carrots. Like, I grew carrots. I'm still proud of myself. That's one thing I know I grew. And also, I helped grow other things with my family. Like the lemon balm, the strawberries, they kind of like took off by themselves. What else would help plant? The blueberries, they're starting to blossom blueberries, but not right now. They're not right now. Time ready to harvest. But yeah, those are good. They're definitely good. Oh, we also got blueberries in the backyard too. Not blueberries, raspberries, black raspberries, or berries. I don't know. But definitely either Bahamas or Hawaii. They're probably, that weather is probably as sunny as this. Probably might be even hotter. But as long as I'm next to a beach or some ocean around somewhere, I'll be chilling with my coconut and sitting back and relaxing and having fun, like living life, because that is the point of this world, is to live life, with stress free, not a care in the world what anyone thinks, or what, not even caring what they think, just caring about what you want to do and just live it. Say screw all of them, just care about living what you want to do, and that's what I'm doing. But I'm still like, I do want to travel. I don't know where we're going to travel next time. Probably my mom definitely, she wants to take a cruise. We should definitely I know we should take a cruise. Might surprise her to do that for her birthday. Maybe. I gotta see if there's gonna be a cruise, but I don't know if it might be cold that time. I don't know. Cause we might probably do a cruise early for her birthday. Cause I know she's been wanting to go on a cruise, but how for that one instead of the cruise. What? I keep talking about stuff like this. This is y'all fault. Y'all been making me go detouring on stuff, so I can't be talking to you guys like this. So yeah, but definitely, I'll be sitting somewhere drinking my coconut. Yes, my family, they'd be like, well, on vacation, what you gonna do? Drink my coconut. Drink my coconut. Cause that's also one thing that makes me smile and happy. Coconut. Drinking out the coconut. Eating the coconut shavings. Bruh, them is so good. Like, they're like rejuvenating to me. Like, they're like drinking water. So rejuvenating. Especially ice cold water. Woo-wee. But I know you guys are like, girl, quit talking about this coconut. Coconut is my fave, so if you want with my heart, give me a coconut. That's fine. Take me on a trip so I can go drink my coconut. Take me a trip to Bahamas. Take me a trip to Paris. Take me a trip to Hawaii. Or to China. Oh, I also want to go to China or Korea. Not North Korea, South Korea. Like, I want to see the bottle stars. Like, I definitely want to take a trip there. Because there's like this one cafe. It's like kind of like a vampire cafe. I want to definitely try and go there before. And also, I want to stay in the capsule hotel before. Like that. I don't know why. It just seemed very popular. But also, I will definitely get my original bubbles from there to drink. Because it looks so cool there. And I also want to eat the street food. I don't know why. All it is the point to go on the trip is eating a bunch of food, enjoy experiences, and have fun over there. So you might see me somewhere, probably. You never know. But I'm definitely gonna take a trip probably soon. So I know for sure. So I'm gonna be saving money and going on a trip. Yeah. But yeah, definitely Paris, Bahamas, Hawaii, not China, North Korea, not North Korea, South Korea. Make sure that's a typo. No, South Korea. And what else is it? Oh, Europe and Egypt, or Africa, South Africa, or Africa. Egypt, I know for sure, but Europe, definitely go travel Europe. What else I want to travel? I want to travel the whole world. Like, oh, what's that one place? I don't know. I do want to travel to either Switzerland or Ireland. I don't know why. Because I know they have cool, like, beautiful green scenery, like that's like fresh air and stuff. So I just want to travel there just to go be like in a nice natural air, but like kind of like with the flowers and stuff, because they got beautiful flowers this time this year. So I'll be traveling. I might want to travel there, just so I might need passport and stuff, but I'll be on my way. But I probably told you guys zero, but comment down below travel or where you guys want to travel, because me, I'm gonna be loving to travel like the whole globe, like everywhere. Okay, I'm not gonna go to Russia though. I don't know. But that's this video, kids. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below which part of the video you like. And also go hit that little bell to know if I post a video. And comment down travel if you guys want to travel somewhere, wherever you want to be. But yeah. And also hit that little bell to know if I post a video. And follow my social media pages. Link down in the description box below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, kitties. Cutie out. Traveling out.
If you were mine, you would top everything.